Fam, what's good? It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in New Orleans, and that means that it's a great day for me to show you how to play Just Like Candy by Cameo. Check it out.
'Cause just as sure as the sun gives way to the moon, just as sure as the gray gives way to the blue, I'm gonna ride to the heavens child inside my groove.
Friend, you know what to do. If you're brand new here, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you know when the next video comes out. Look, man, also, as I say all the time, these videos are free. So if you want to support the creation of these free bass lessons, you can do so with any of those links below. Leave a tip, buy the album, buy the book, any one of those things to help keep the freeness going on over here on YouTube. So it's beautiful out here, man. That's a couple of tugboats passing by. I am sitting over here on the Mississippi. But anyway, let's get into this, man. Let's see some triads in action. So check this out. This is Candy by Cameo. Super simple. First chord is gonna be a G major triad. Yeah. Second triad is going to be an A major triad, followed by a B minor triad. Let's do that again, super easy. Okay. Hopefully the sun is not, maybe I should like sit like that, or I'm on a park bench, obviously. So your fingerings, the fingering here, you're just gonna use a regular triad shape. Now on the A major triad, you can use that shape or go like that. So if you do this is that kind of practical part. If you do this, there's your B minor triad right there. G, A, B. Or if you do it like this, it's just a matter of preference how you wind up doing that. So anyway, keep this super short. See if I can keep this under 6 minutes. I'll do it the other way now. So every now and again, this will happen. It's the same information. Instead of going root, third, fifth, you're going third, fifth, root. Yeah? Just like candy. You feel it too. Just like and that's the only other different part. Just a solid funk groove hammering in, especially if you've been around like any HBCU type stuff, you know what I mean, the Q Dogs, the AKAs, Delta, anybody, you know what I mean. As soon as this comes on, everybody doing their line dances, getting, you know what I'm saying, all that. It's a great song. Even Beyonce, if you listen to her remake of Before I Let Go, she alludes to this in the bridge section. So I'll do another video on Before I Let Go later on, but she goes. I'm kind of missing the song in my head right this second, but anyway, that's a little quickie for you. Again, man, go on and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and support the channel by buying a product, leaving a tip, or one of those good things. Anyway, man, I hope you have a good day. I probably won't release this until after Thanksgiving. That's a B. So anyway, as always, man, peace, 2 fingers.